Hello students, today I am going to share with you the very first poem which has been prescribed into your syllabus, Sigh No More Ladies, written by the famous poet William Shakespeare. The title of your textbook is Colors of Expression, so you can read the text in this book. Students, let us now discuss a brief biography of the poet of the present poem Sigh No More Ladies. It has been written by the famous writer, poet William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare, 26th April 1564 to 23 April 1616, was an English poet, playwright, widely regarded as the greatest writer in the English language and the world's preeminent dramatist. Means he is a poet, he has written plays also, and he is a greatest writer in the English language. He is often called England's national poet and the Bard of Avon. His extant works, including some collaborations, consist of about 38 plays. Means William Shakespeare has written almost 38 plays, 154 sonnets. Sonnet is a type of poetry, 2 long narrative poems, and a few other verses, the authorship of some of which is uncertain. The plays written by Shakespeare have been translated into every major living language and are performed more often than those of any other playwright. Means the plays written by William Shakespeare are performed on stage also. So this is the brief biography of the poet William Shakespeare. Let us now discuss the text of the poem Sigh No More Ladies. Sigh no more, ladies, sigh no more. Men were deceivers ever, 1 foot in sea and 1 on shore. To one thing constant never. Then sigh not so, but let them go, and be you blithe and bonny, converting all your sounds of woe into hey nonny nonny. Sigh no more, ladies, sigh no more. Men were deceivers ever, 1 foot in sea and 1 on shore. This poem is a song sung by a character named Balthazar in the comedy written by William Shakespeare titled Much Ado About Nothing. In this poem, the singer Balthazar is advising to the women not to cry when their lovers prove to be false and fake. Sigh no more, ladies, sigh no more. Men were deceivers ever, 1 foot in sea and 1 on shore. In these lines, the singer of the song, Balthazar, advises women sigh no more. Sigh means not to cry. He is advising to the women to not to cry. Ladies, sigh no more. He is again advising them not to cry. Men were deceivers ever. He says that the lovers prove false and fickle always. It is of no use sighing and sobbing, means it is of no use crying when their lovers deceive them. 1 foot in sea and 1 on shore. The lovers are always fickle and fake. They have 1 foot in sea and another foot on the shore. Means this line means that the lovers love one woman and they marry another. To one thing constant never, the singer of the poem, Balthazar says that to one thing constant never, that the men never stick to one thing, means they are fickle minded and they are always changing. Then sigh not so, but let them go. He is advising to the women that there is no need for any woman to feel sorry for them, to feel unhappy when they leave them. Then sigh not so, but let them go. He says that when the men leave them, they should permit them to leave them behind, and they should let them go to hell or fall into the well. And be you blithe and bonny, converting all your sounds of woe into hey nonny nonny. He says that be you blithe and bonny means, he says that women should be blithe and bonny means they should be happy, they should enjoy their lives according to themselves, converting all your sounds of woe into hey nonny nonny. He says that they should never be sad at such a point, they should be happy to get rid of them, they should be cheerful, they should be happy, they should not allow the sadness to spoil their beauty and their lives. Converting all your sounds of woe into hey nonny nonny. Woe means grief, dukh. He says that the women should not feel grieved or they should not be unhappy, but in spite of being sad, they should be happy, they should be cheerful. Hey nonny nonny means they should be cheerful. Sing no more ditties, sing no more of dumps so dull and heavy. The fraud of men was ever so, since summer first was leafy. Then sigh not so, but let them go, and be you blithe and bonny, converting all your sounds of woe into hey nonny nonny. In these lines, the singer Balthazar advises women to be practical. If the lover is unfaithful, women have no reason to sing sad songs. Sing no more ditties. They should not sing sad songs. Sing no more of dumps so dull and heavy. He is advising to the women not to sing sad songs of sorrow when their lovers leave them. Of dumps so dull and heavy. He advises them that they should not carry the heavy burden of sorrow on their minds. The fraud of men was ever so. He says that fraud is here in the blood of men. They are always deceivers. They treat us deceivers from the very first day, since summer first was leafy. They are always false and deceitful. The men are always false and deceitful, as trees are always full of leaves in summer. Then sigh not so, but let them go, and be you blithe and bonny. So he is advising to the women that there is no need for the women to bother about such deceitful men who cheat them on every step. They may go to hell, they may go anywhere, wherever they want to go. Women have no reason to be sad and grieved if the lover is fake and false. In spite of being sad, Bu Blade and Bonnie means the women should be happy. They should enjoy their life. Converting all your sounds of bow into hey nonny nonny. He says that the women should be happy to have got rid of such lovers who are deceitful. They should be gay and cheerful. They should not allow the sadness to spoil their lives. In spite of being grieved, they should enjoy their lives. Students, this is the explanation and the discussion of our first poem. Tomorrow we will continue with the next poem. Thank you. Thank you very much.